Good day, dear traders. Let us review the major economic events of the past week. Last week, the US dollar index advanced and approached the upper boundary of the neutral range, but couldn't break it. Taking into consideration the recent performance of US economy, the Fed decided not to rush with the rate hike. The decision was announced on Tuesday by Fed Chair Janet Yellen, who said that while the core inflation is below 2% and unemployment is at current levels, there is no need to modify the monetary policy. The US CPI released on Thursday posted a decline for the first time since 2009. That is, the Fed's target rate will not be achieved so soon. This might have been enough for the US dollar index to start declining, but the dollar was buoyed by positive data on durable goods orders, which rose 2.8%. On this basis, investment banks may raise the US first quarter GDP outlook. The estimates currently vary from 2.4% to 3%. The macroeconomic information in the Eurozone was neutral, although the German economy shows signs of steady recovery. The German CPI in February rose, which reduces the deflation risks. We don't rule out the possibility that important American economic data this week will drive the dollar out of the sideways trading. The inflation rate has already been released. Now investors wait for the labor market report for February. We expect the release of ADP non-farm employment change on Wednesday and official data on non-farm payrolls on Friday. We deem the outlook is a bit negative. However, a noticeable drop in the market may occur if non-farm payrolls increases by less than 200,000. Among less significant events, Wednesday will be marked by the speech of Fed Chair Janet Yellen and beige book release. Factory orders will be published on Thursday. The outlook is positive. The major events in the EU will be the official bank rate published by the Bank of England and the ECB press conference on Thursday. Investors expect the start of the Euro quantitative easing program will be announced. The fourth quarter GDP will be released in the Eurozone on Friday. The forecast is neutral. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to cut the rate by 0.2% down to 2%. It might affect the Aussie. Moreover, the Canadian GDP in December will come out the same day. The outlook may be positive for the Canadian dollar. This was all for the week. Thank you and see you next week.